Hello, ma'am, sir. Have a good day. I am Leslie Sumayo, a 31 years old Filipino domestic helper looking for a live-in position in Hong Kong with 7 years experience caring for children and managing household duties in Qatar. I am confident in my ability to provide excellent care. I am skilled in childcare, housekeeping, and willing to learn Cantonese cooking. I am proficient in English, Filipino, and Arabic. As a single mother of three, 12, 10, and 8 years old, I am a dedicated and responsible individual who understands the importance of family. Being a breadwinner of my family, I've developed strong time management and problem-solving skill. I am looking for a supportive family where I can grow and provide quality care for your loved ones. I am eager to learn and adapt your family needs. Thank you for considering my application.